Good afternoon and welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a white 2022 Transit Connect with a brand new Mini-T conversion. On the roof you find solar, over there antenna, max air fan. Inside you have a couch that folds out into a 43 by 72 inch bed, under bed storage, 2000 watt inverter, dual house batteries, max air fan, 2000 watt inverter, refrigerator, microwave, TV, DVD player, sink, front privacy curtain, front WeatherTechs, and floor WeatherTechs. All our conversions come with a hitch, shore power plug-in cord. The refrigerator is thermostatically controlled. Check out all the details on our website, www.dlm-distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!